Hello guys, guess what Miss Angie did in the kitchen today? I made my own Turkish salad. I had this at a restaurant here in Colorado and it was so delicious. I had to take this idea home and make it for my family. So I noticed that they use shredded carrots, shredded radishes, shredded purple cabbage. You're gonna need a cheese grinder to do it, and thank God my son helped me. My son helped me do that. But also some chives, lemon juice, salt. I added some bell pepper in mine, and tomatoes. I did do a little sneaking on some videos, so I see that you can add pretty much any ingredient that you want in it. But to me, because when I watched a couple of videos, I noticed that they use like tomatoes, and this one didn't use tomatoes. So I just put it all together because I like all types of vegetables. And let's see how this tastes, guys. Yeah, and just lemon juice and salt. That's all you need for your dressing. Let's taste this together. Oh, and a little pinch of parsley. Yes, I did. I put a little bit. Y'all excuse me. It's that good. So, yeah. Just do like I did. You can look up a recipe, or you can do it exactly how I did mine. Like I said, I added some more stuff to it. You know, you can add some chopped cucumbers to it, whatever you want. You know, just like we do ours here, because in America, we make different ingredients in our salad, so they probably do the same thing. But here we go, guys.